Let me share with you guys why do I have a deep problem with the dawah boys on social media. But before that, let me explain to you where it comes from. So for so many years, subhanallah, I had problems with them. You know, I don't say personal problems, but I deeply didn't like them. So basically, I do believe that majority, I don't say everyone is in the group, you know, but majority of the dawah boys that we have on social media, they are here basically to target and to target vulnerable people, single mothers, women who do have some mental health issues, every single vulnerable woman, they are here to target them and to chase them. And this is what I do believe, and let me explain to you why. When I say vulnerable, it doesn't mean that they are vulnerable. It's just the way that they are seen by those dawah boys. In their eyes, basically, they are vulnerable. So they are a very easy target and very easy people to chase. And why do I use the word chase? Because this is exactly the way that they're doing on social media. I don't put everyone in the same box, but illa man rahim Allah, except some few ones who are deeply sincere. Majority of them, they are here to reach their goals, you understand, to attack vulnerable women and to do whatever they need to do. They do not come here basically to do da'wah. They come here to get famous. By getting famous, it means basically that they will receive some DMs. Let me be honest, you know, they will receive some DMs from sisters, and it's a very easy for them to get whatever they want to get, you understand. If, for example, they want to send some message or some DM to a sister, which they saw basically that she was vulnerable, they will do it, and they know basically this is easy for them if they are famous to reach their goal. And this, I deeply wanted to talk about it for so many years, but I was saying maybe, you know, there's one, two who are sincere here, so don't put everyone in the same box. But this message for the sisters, you know, I don't care about those dawah boys because they deeply know who they are, you understand. Social media is not the reality. It will never be the reality. This is a fictive life that people are standing here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and then there is 23 or 24, even 24 hours that they are alone and you don't know what they're doing. The face that people are showing on social media, it doesn't mean it's the reality. It doesn't mean that it's their true face. It doesn't mean that it is who they are, you understand. And so that's why I'm saying this to the sisters. Just be careful of who you are watching, because if you are basically a dawah boy, you eventually learn deen from a big sheikh, you understand. So I encourage every sister to learn the deen from big sheikh, because this is the way that they learn. They don't learn from boys who don't have any degrees, who just come here sharing things. And no, this is not the way that you learn deen, you understand. You learn deen from big shuyukh. The example that I'm talking about is seen not long days, few days ago, basically on social media, in Instagram. The sister who shared about one dawah boy who encouraged her to enter with him to a temporary marriage, which is zina. For those who do not know, this is zina, it's haram. And this dawah boy is coming on social media and talking about deen, and while he's doing all these things behind, you understand. So sisters, this is just advice. You do whatever you need to do, but you should begin to follow more respectable people with who encourage sisters to learn deen, which it means big shuyukh, not those dawah boys that you don't even know what they're doing behind when the camera is off, you understand. Shuyukh are there to teach deen, not people who do not have any degree, who didn't learn anything about deen.